like a ghost license plate. All right, tag goes up, tag goes down. All right.
I'm probably in your city coolin' with them cutters on the dash. And niggas actin' they ain't foolish, boy, you know we on your ass. Chopper rearranging shit like a nigga lost his dad. All that capping on the net, 100 shots, I want them dead. I'm probably in your city coolin' with them cutters on the dash. And niggas actin' they ain't foolish, boy, you know we on your ass. Chopper rearranging shit like a nigga lost his dad. All that capping on the net, 100 shots, I want them dead. 100 shots, I want them dead. Niggas capped out, man, they scared. Drop that addy and I'm there. Best believe I'm coming fast. These niggas hate, they really fans. I'm on your block, I want my man. Pop his ass just like a pill. His bitch shooting.
Alright, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Santana, Scat, checking out with another video. So we're about to put on this stealth license plate today so that when I go to car meets and stuff, I can have my tag blocked out. So let's go ahead and get that started. I'll show you guys the process for getting it done and how it looks. Let's go ahead and get a little code started in real quick. Alright guys, so this is what we're going to be installing here today. Right now I've just got it hooked up to the cigarette lighter just to make sure everything works and I've got everything plugged up properly before I put it on. Alright, but pretty much this is what it does. Alright, and it beeps to kind of let you know what's going on there. So alright, so we'll get this installed. This is definitely going to come in handy when I go to car meets or when I'm doing YouTube videos and such, so that I don't have to worry about, you know, people getting my tag number or blurring my tag number out when I'm recording videos. So stay tuned, we'll get this installed. Alright guys, so first thing you want to do is drill a hole here in the middle. So what I went ahead and did is put a little starter hole there. Alright, and then what we're going to do is go in and make it big enough for the wire to fit through. So as you can see here, the wire isn't quite going to go through there just yet, so we need to make it a little bit bigger. All right guys, so as you can see, we've got our first hole here. It's big enough for it to fit through. All right, and it won't damage the paint or anything here. As you can see, it's the same type of holes are already drilled back there for the tag. All right, and then on the other side here, what you're gonna have to do is drill a hole on the back side as well so that you can bring the wire back through. Unfortunately, there's not any spots back here where you can fit it through. There are some holes, where did it go? So there's some holes right here, but that's for you to pop the liner back in. All right, so there's holes already there, so don't worry about drilling a new one. So I went ahead and drilled a hole right here for the cord to come through. Now all we got to do is pretty much just fist the wire through so that we can reach it to the battery or run it through your car into the cigarette lighter. All right guys, so I was able to finish up. What I ended up doing was running it into the power here so that I can have it on when I'm at car meets and stuff. I was gonna run it to the battery, but I decided against it temporarily. But what I did was I ran the cord up under the front seat and up under the side panels here and then through the back seat, so you cannot see it. And then back here in the trunk, it's ran back here and then back into my hole down there, which you cannot see now that it's covered up. All right, so the tag is hidden, as you can see. I'll give you a quick demonstration of how it works. Let me put something on it to cover my tag up though, because that defeats the whole purpose. All right, so tap back in just a second. All right guys, so finally got the finishing touches put on the stealth license plate here. So if you're interested in getting one of these, it's pretty much like a ghost license plate. All right, Tag goes up, tag goes down. All right. And all it is the little click of a button here with the remote, guys. So as you can see here, I'm just gonna push B. Up, press B, back down. All right, so those will definitely come in handy. Keep you out of trouble during some meets and stuff like that, you know, keep your tag number from being exposed. Stay tuned, let me know, what mods and stuff you guys wanna see for next time. All right, guys, we appreciate you checking in. Just let me know if you want to see any other mods, anything, you want to see me do to the wide body, 2020 wide body Scat pack here. We appreciate you watching. All right, we'll be back next time.
I was so hungry I couldn't eat, so I bought me some food and got on my feet. They say that they watching, they after me. I'm a beast with this shit like an athlete. Just know that I'm bout it like Master P. Ain't no lacking, no cap in my shot with me. All the smoke in this air, ain't no shots for free. From the jump it was violent, it's never peace. I was so hungry I couldn't eat, so I bought me some food and got on my feet. They say that they watching, they after me. I'm a beast with this shit like an athlete. Just know that I'm bout it like Master P. Ain't no lacking, no cap in my strap with me. All that smoke in the air, ain't no shots for free. From the jump it was violent, it's never peace. They swear that they bout it like Master P. Run that check up, no flex up, them rats with me. Got her all on my dick, know this shit ain't free. She said that they gas, cause she wrapped the weed. I feel like I'm Chester, I'm Bomber Cheese. Try to chase me a bag, now it's after me. No, we not the same, boy, you out my league. We zip to the zoo, y'all a different breed. See, I was so hungry, I couldn't eat, so